Hey everyone, Matt Teppler here, Canadian Channel Manager for GeoSLAM.
Hi, and I'm Coleton Madge, Eastern Canada Sales Manager for CartoCanada.
And we're back at it again. Based on our successful tour that we had last year, we're heading out again this September, but this time we're heading further east. This year we have planned stops in Charlottetown, St. John's, Stephenville, Halifax, and Fredericton.
And yet again, we're going to be bringing on all our latest and greatest goodies, as well as some of the products that you guys are already familiar with from CartoCanada that we have to offer. Big player this year is going to be our Zeb Vision, our colorization camera for the horizon, as well as our EVX with some of the sensors and payloads that we have available for that, and our Autel products, as well as we'll be having some special pop-up guest DJI products joining us as well along the way.
Just like last year, if you can't make it out to any of the events but you still want to see us, drop us a line. We'll do our best to fit you in for a visit. Also, if there's something along the way that you think we should be scanning that'll be fun and interesting, definitely drop us a line as well. We'd love to hear from you.
We're really looking forward to everybody on our next stretch of Carto Tours Canada, the East Coast edition. So excited to be doing this again, and thank you guys for all your support in advance. Look forward to seeing you soon.